the ball? You want the ball? You do, don't you? You want the ball? You want it? You want it? You want it? Okay, go get it. That was a bad throw. Good girl. And she didn't lose it either. No, she didn't. Come here. Drop it. Good girl. You want it? You want the ball? You want it? Go get it. Good job. Well, hello there, gorgeous. Yeah, hello there. Oh, she dropped it right. I didn't even have to tell her. You want it? You want the ball? You want it? Yeah. Check. I'm not old. See? I still go fetch. Good girl. Good job. Sit. Hey, you're not sitting. She's like, I don't want to sit on the wet grass. Don't make me do it. She's done.